Hello everybody. Today we're going to learn how to write a program that will solve for a missing variable in the ideal gas law, PV equals nRT. When you open this, it's going to prompt you for the unit of pressure. And this matters because the unit of pressure is going to determine your R value. So let's just select kPa. Then it's going to prompt you for the missing variable in the equation that you need to solve for. Let's choose P. So it's going to ask you for the other variables. Let's say the volume is 13 liters, we have 1 mole, and the temperature is 300 K. When you press enter, it's now going to tell you what the pressure is, and then also all the other variables, just to make sure that you're right. And when you look, since we chose kPa, our R variable shows up as 8.3. If we run this again and choose ATM, now let's choose moles are missing, enter the pressure, 9 ATM, 10 liters, let's do 500 K temperature, and boom, it's going to spit out moles. And it's also going to be using the R associated with atmospheres, 0.082. Now, let's see how this program is written. Like a lot of them, it starts with clear home to delete everything on the screen that's not already there. And then it's going to ask you for a menu. This menu is called unit of pressure and has 4 choices: ATM, millimeters of mercury, and kilopascals. Then finally quit, just in case you open the program by mistake. If you choose ATM, which is labeled as W, it'll take you down to label W and will store 0.082 as R. Then it will go to this label P, which we haven't got to yet. If you chose millimeters of mercury, label X, it'll store R as 62.4, go to P, and if you chose kPa, label Z, it will store R as 8.3. If you then it will take you to label P. If you chose H, which was quit, the screen will be cleared, program will stop. Label P actually takes you to that second menu called missing variable, where you get to decide which variable is missing: pressure, volume, moles, or temperature. Those all also have their own labels associated with them. Once you choose one, it will take you to that label. If you said that P was missing, it will take you to label A, prompt you for the other ones that you have. It will use the R from the previous menu that you stored, and then calculate P, and then it will go to F. And this is more or less the same for all the different variables. If you chose that you were missing volume, it will take you to label B and do the following. Then it will go to F. Label C, very similar. This will store in moles. And label D will store temperature. If you chose E, we'll quit, clear home, program will stop. Label F will display all the variables, P, V, N, R, and T, and output them on these lines. Then the program will stop. Again, just to see how it works. Here we're prompted for that first menu. R has now been stored using the variable millimeters of mercury. Solve for temperature. Enter pressure. Enter volume. Enter moles. And the rest will just be spit out. I hope this helps. Enjoy. Have a nice day.